In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make my newest design, the Origami Iron Man. It's a simple design, and all it takes is a 6-inch square piece of paper. I'm using double-sided paper, yellow on one side and red on the other. You can buy this at origamishop.com and several other websites. So let's get folding. Start with the red side up. We're going to make what's called a fish base. So make some diagonal folds. And there you have your fish base. Okay, now we're just going to unfold it real quick, and we're going to make a few mark folds and creases. So take this point, bring it down to the very center, make a little mark fold. We may use that, I don't know. There you go. Okay, and then bring this bottom point up and bring it to that mark fold. Now crease the paper just to where these two creases are. Bring it down. Now take the paper. You can use this as a reference here. Fold these two sides in. Crease right along the top here. As far as it'll go. Okay. Like I said, remember to subscribe because I've got a lot more videos coming out too. Now refold it back into a fish base. I'm just going to make that crease a little more pronounced so you can see it on the other side. Okay, now take this bottom point and fold it up to about right here. And crease it. Now fold it down about in between these two marks, about. Okay, now we're going to take the point here and we're going to fold it up just above these two creases. So, just like that. Okay, now we're going to make a crease about right here, so a little farther down, about right there. You get those the way you like it. Now squash fold this paper like this. Okay? That didn't get perfect. Okay, now fold the paper down. So it looks like that. And then we're going to just fold it over once more. About like this. Okay, now we're going to make the eyes. So fold it, take the paper and don't fold it all the way down here, just a little bit, leave a little bit of a space, like that, and an angle about like that. Okay. Now we're going to fold the paper up from this point here, and you're just going to have it kind of angled like that. Okay, now squash fold it to the paper open here, and you're just going to squash fold it down. Like that. Okay, now fold the point up to right here and make it exactly horizontal, 90 degrees here. Fold that down. Do the same thing on the other side. Okay. Then lastly, just fold it back a little bit. Okay, and then just put these little end tips just a little bit. Okay, that eye came out a little bit differently, but it doesn't matter. Take this point and bring it down to right about here. Okay, then fold the paper like this. Okay, so it's just like that. It's kind of a squash fold. Now bring it all the way down like that. Fold it. Now fold it back up. Okay. Now, this is a little tricky part. We're going to take this over, we're going to pinch it and fold it over right in line with these two creases here. Kind of. Just watch what I do here. Just like that. Okay. now, just fold the yellow part back. Ways. Fold the top like that. Then we're just going to start shaping the model just like this here. Fold the sides in. I am Iron Man. Okay, I'm gonna make a fold from right here to right here. And now we're just going to make a little bit of a mountain fold right along these two edges. Okay, and the model is done. The eyes didn't come out perfectly. If you do a little better on the shaping, a little better on the tweaking, it can look like that, but you get the idea. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please click on the like button. Also, remember to subscribe to me for more great videos. I'm coming out with a lot more soon, and I'll catch you guys soon. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.